sanibonani. Bakithi njengoba sinithembisile i-crossover namhlanje. Just mabona onibingelelako i-crossover la ithemba lethu sesikhona ngaphakathi. Siyacheka ukuthi i-setup yezitulo iba right and engasikudala will be starting to connect lokhanzi i-sound system. So asingeneni sichekeni ngaphakathi siboneni ukuthi kwenzakalani. Themba lethu iza 6 siyathoma. Asingeneni ngaphakathi.
Busy preparing for our annual crossover. Sithi nawe ongakabi ready silungisele. You can see the venue is already prepared for you. You are all welcome. As you are coming, we are praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu akuvikele endleleni. God bless you.